Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about the area of triangle using Heron's formula. In previous video I will tell you about only area of triangle, which is formula of half Aadhar base into height. But in this video I use Heron's area formula to find area of triangle. This is the formula. Okay, let's begin to write the code. I take three variable A, B and C. Suppose value is 20. Variable B and C. And variable S. A plus B plus C divided by 2. And print the value of C. Console upload S. Okay, S equal to S, A plus B plus C divided by 2. I write this on the basis of this formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, let's run and see what you will get your output on the console. This is my output 30. Okay, you can see this is your output 30. When you calculate this you can get this output. Okay, after that what is the formula? Square root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Okay, after that I take another variable. Okay, this name is y. I write that formula as into s minus a, sorry, a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, and here I want to print y. Okay, you can match this formula. This is your formula. Okay, let's see what is your output. And you can see this your output is 30,000. Okay, after that next step is what? This is square root. Okay, whole square root. So for this square root, a square root in JavaScript we use math dot square root. Syntax function is used to find a square root of a number. Area, okay, area of square root y, and here I print what is your area after this all calculation. Okay, again I open live server, go to inspect and go to console, and here this is your output, which is decimal digit. Okay. Okay, this you can get this output. Do like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.